Shoot.
So yes, people, it's time for some real truth now. See the pasta where you see circulate on the internet? That's dirt. Nothing but some dirt. And if it was a truthful dirt, maybe I wouldn't be on the internet right now explaining to you. I would just run away from it, but because I know it's crap, none of it is true. First of all, I'm just going to address this fast because I have 1 minute. I'm not into the long explanation because I don't owe all of you. The well-wishers, the people that really care about me, for you and the ones and all my friends and their wives that laughing at me, you're laughing in vain because guess what? I didn't get beat up. I wasn't in a fight. I just was trying to part a fight between two BA-mens. One of them was crazily drunk and acting stupid. Atlantis, remember you owe me some money because I'm doing your work, because the security at Atlantis should be charged for negligence. No security was